Ano ang adjective?
Adjective is a form of sound system that includes unite one people to another.
Therapeutic claim by the HR of the Philippines Island of the Mindanao.
Mali! Okay, class. Ang ating subject ngayon ay English. So gusto ko lahat ng estudyante ko at lahat ng papasok sa room na to, pag klase ko, lahat magi-English, walang Tagalog, English lang. Maliwanag! Sagot! Okay, para sa ating unang baitang pagtuturo, ano ang ibig sabihin ng adjective? Wala? Ikaw. Ano ang adjective? Walang magtatagalog, English only! Sit down! Sit down! Fuck you! Adjective lang, hindi nyo na alam. Okay, ikaw. Kayo, what is adjective?
Adjective is a form of sound system that includes unite one people to another. If you do bring electric fan in the kitchen, why do else people come to you, sir?
Correct! Okay, next. Okay, ano ang ibig sabihin ng verb? Ikaw. Tayo ka.
Ako sir.
Oo, bobo, ikaw.
Basic sir. Ibig sabihin ng bird. Bird, yung ibon sir.
Sit down!
What's that? Sir, ako na lang sir.
Yes, thank you.
Bird is the flying object that flies.
No. Bird, not bird. Bird.
Bird as in B-E-R-B.
Yes.
Okay. Verb is a therapeutic claim by the HR of the Philippines Island of the Manila Zoo in the Lion King of the Philippine Island of the Baco de Oro Central.
Correct! Brilliant! Awesome! Okay, next. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng matter? Matter! Go!
Matter. Anything that occupies space and has mass.
Mali! Saan galing yun? Yes, please!
Matter is a song of BTS. Smooth like matter, like criminal undercover. And matter is one of the greatest people that you could see in the map. I'm the map. Explorer the explorer wants to go to your home. What will you do?
So ngayon, ang gagawin naman natin, magde-debate tayo. Total, dalawa lang naman itong sumasagot. Kayo lahat, mga bobo kayo, mga kapunyeta kayo. Huwag na kayong sumagot, okay? Okay, yung dalawa, please stand up. Okay? Ang inyong pagde-debatehan, ano ang mas dapat tangkilikin? Kalikasan o teknolohiya? In English form only. Okay? Pwede ba kayo sa unahan dalawa? Kayong mga tanga, dyan lang kayo. Para sa'yo, teknolohiya, para sa'yo, kalikasan. Okay?
Rather.
You go first for me.
Okay, bato. Okay, para walang daya. Isang bagsak lang. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, una ka.
In this debate, I will choose nature. You know what? What a taps. Because nature is such sympathy of the Philippines. You have a saying that you choose the Philippines because it have a pearly shell. And in that case, the nature is the one who contribute the Isipor, Sale, Escortomende, Espanyol, E. Del Monte. In that case, you could see in Ohio and I live in the USA camera. Watching on Canada. It's because the Brooklyn State wants to you go in the Alma Manila paper.
For me, based on your question, I will choose technology because technology is important to us because you can do selfie in the wood or in the leaves. You can do picture in street or in the leaves. You can do that because in technology, we're using technology to bring the lights, to bring the zipper up and down, to bring the technology of the electric fan, to prevent illness, to prevent technology that come to your neck, to your ears. And then if you deaf, you can buy some hearing deaf so you can hear and you can do and you can dance and the speaker is doing well and the dance is doing well.
But the nature is very natural in every singular or plural form.
No, because technology, you can use technology to send message, and the message of the terrorist and the terrorist and the palabyan tube into esophagus.
Is Doraemon have technology?
Yes, we have technology because...
No. Come to me first.
Okay, go!
Doraemon is very natural and he doesn't
Doraemon is
have...
only cartoons. Cartoons is technology used in TV to prevent illness of the TV of the natural hero of the technology.
No.
No, it's yes!
No, it's no.
It's no, yes, yes, no. Oh my God! And it's technology that uses technology of the
Brilliant!
Okay, patients, tapos na yung epekto ng gamot. Pila na kayo dito sa labas para sa pangalawang gamot.
Dahan-dahan po. Pakihawakan yung pasyente natin.
Gamot, iinom na.
Pakihawakan.
O yung mga kalat tayo sa inyo.
technology.